Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode of Xperience by Kentico Product Insights. My name is David Slavík, I'm product strategist here at Kentico, and in this episode I would like to show you insights to the gated content in Xperience by Kentico. So let me share the screen directly with you. At the beginning, I would like to recommend you this article from Miroslav Jirku, my colleague from product marketing team, because this is the article talking about what it is gated content, why to use gated content, and it also includes scenarios of using gated content functionality we support in our product Xperience by Kentico. Thanks to this, we can focus on our specific example and somehow skip the, let's say, business talk and introduction of such a functionality and focus more on the technical implementation in our product. So let's go to our brand new website, community.kentico.com, which is the website dedicated for our clients. The significant difference between this new website and our already existing website devnet.kentico.com is that this is targeting not just technical audience, but also marketing audience and let's say all people using our product. I believe that very soon there will be more and more content and also questions. And talking about questions, this is the space where we leverage support for gated content in our product. So let's talk about question and answer sections on our website. Here you can see question and answers. I believe that it's pretty straightforward, and as you can see we already have the first question, and I'm very happy for that because, as I said, this website is very new and we don't promote it at all at this moment because it's still under construction and we are preparing it for the future. Here, only people who are authenticated to our website can ask questions and also answer them. So once I will click the link new question, you can see that the system will tell me that I need to log in. I already prepared my account in advance. Once I click to sign in, you can see that I can already ask question. So as you can see, it's protected and only people who are authenticated can do this. Here in the top right corner, you can see that I'm logged in, and here you can see my login name. Let's go to administration interface of Xperience by Kentico, where I will show you how it looks from inside. I'm very happy that I can tell you that we already implemented support for single sign-on. So as you can see, I will only click this button. System recognize my account in Kentico and I'm logged in and I can start managing content. The biggest difference between our previous product, our traditional product Kentico Xperience 13 and before, is that we decided to divide users and members of LifeSite between two groups very clearly and very, let's say, strongly separated. So before that, it was all in one group, in one table, in the database. So you had one listing where you saw people who are your colleagues, for example, from your marketing team and who manage the content. And at the same time, there were people who are your clients and who are visiting your website from live site, from front end, let's say. Now you can see that we have users here where are only people who have access to administration interface, and we have also members where are people who can who have account and who can log in to your live site. So let's see how members looks from inside. I filtered results by keyword David to hide the rest of our members, and here we can focus on the account I used to log in, which is David Slavík, where you can see my login name and email. Because this is everything what we need nowadays, and we don't collect any other, let's say, member details. But it's possible. This set of data is very easily to extend. So developers or even marketers can go to the administration interface of fields of any member, of members, and extend them by, for example, address, phone number, or some privileges. But we needed only this, so we have only two fields. Let me show you the first example how marketers can gate content in Xperience by Kentico. As you can see, I'm not logged in anymore, and I can access all the pages here. For example, let's focus on articles. So I can see the listing of articles, and I can also open the detail of any article here. So let's say that we decide to push people to log into our website to become authenticated to see articles. Let me show you how easily you can do it in our product. So we will go to application pages, find articles, click to properties, security, and here we can say this page requires authentication and publish change. The system will help me and ask me whether I would like to also gate all the nested pages or not. So I will let it as it is now, and I say apply to this page and all subpages. Confirm. And now when we go back to our official website, or front end I mean, and click to reload, it will again push me to login as the articles are gated already. When I log in, the system will return me back. I'm again authenticated and I can see the list of articles. So let's log out, go back to Xperience by Kentico, turn off this functionality. The system will again ask you whether you would like to apply this setting to all nested pages. And I can again back to articles and access any article here. Now we know how to gate whole sections or specific pages, but this is not everything. This is, let's say, too big. Let's say that I present the content where I have some special assets, for example, ebooks. So I would like to show the article, but only people who are authenticated, my members, can access those assets. I believe that the typical scenario is, for example, visible on our website where we present a digital experience maturity model, but only people who fill in the form can have the ebook accessible. So they can download the PDF file where you will find more details. So now I will show you how you can do this in Xperience by Kentico nowadays. To present you how easy it is, I prepared a new special article, which is Digital Experience Maturity Model. There is just summary and short piece of text. When we go to Xperience by Kentico in application pages, you can see the edit form for this article, where I will add this asset. Talking about assets, I have two options, Media Library and Content Hub. Content Hub is the best place where you can store all the content what will be reusable in a whole website, even for email channels, and in the future also for the other channels you will present in our multi-experience story. So the asset is here. I will click on the asset and insert it into my page. I will publish the change, go back to my article, update page, and now you can see that I have a new link here. And when I click at that link, the web page will start serving the PDF file, and I started downloading what is visible here. Okay, and let's change this behavior. Let's say that only authenticated people can access this PDF file. So I will go back to administration interface. I will go to Content Hub, find my asset, which is here. I will go to security and say this asset requires authentication. Save. And now when I click at that link again, the system will protect the asset and will show me error message that I'm not authenticated. What is exactly meaning of the HTTP error message 403? This is, let's say, ugly because we don't implement it preparation for such a scenarios on our website community.kentico.com, but this is possible to customize and display some nice message which will be more, let's say, understandable for your visitors. And this is everything I prepared for you today regarding to gated content. I hope that you will agree with me that the system and its implementation is pretty straightforward, and it will make the life of marketers much easier. Thank you for attention, and I'm looking forward to you with the next episode of Product Insights for Xperience by Kentico.